Good afternoon. Thanks to Professor Patel for giving the opportunity to be the guest of this prestigious institution. In my last 35 years as attached with medical education and being the part of the Medical Council of India, erstwhile Medical Council of India and National Board of Examination, as well as the part of some program with the Director General of Health Services, DGCI. In my all these 25 year career, I haven't seen such a wonderful private university nurturing a medical college, a dental college, college of pharmacy, college of Ayurveda and homeopathy, which is a composite concept of the healthcare delivery system. This has been the wonderful. The input has been amazing. There have been incredible amount of input in the form of technology, service, textbook, reading material, as well as the patient care. Apart from that, the quality of the faculty, the number of faculty member, the discipline, inbuilt discipline, not imposed, not doctrine discipline, rather inbuilt discipline to each and every faculty member, such an organized way, and their academic programs which are being carried for last so many years, all putting together has been one of the wonderful creation of Honorable Chancellor Dr. Patel, and his whole team is to be credited for this innovation. I take this opportunity to congratulate the faculty member as well as the staff and the students, all who have been playing pivotal role in establishing this institution. There's enough scope of doing interdisciplinary research and the intradisciplinary research, because they have the Ayurvedic college, they have homeopathy college. We have many challenges as medicine in the diagnostics, in the realm of therapeutics, the intervention, and this all can be solved under one roof. So, the students are privileged to go any field of medicine, hospitality care, food, nutrinomics, as well as many other aspects of research, and that is a wonderful achievement. So, congratulations to Dr. Patel, his hospitality and all the faculty member for getting me this opportunity. His library has been the wonderful. Nowhere else I have seen having an access to all privileged medical journal and the documents free of cost. And this is a great achievement for all researchers, teachers, students, and this is no government institution can ever provide this opportunity. So, again thankful for getting this opportunity to me as well as to the students and witnessing this incredible institution of the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.